This is with Angelo's Edge. I'm gonna do a can't really call it an unboxing because I'm using what I'm gonna unbox. I didn't want to go back to the other setup, so here's what I got. I bought it basically for uh, doing web pages. I was gonna have it facing me, and boy, it's really nice facing me. But I do primary knife videos on my channel, so people probably watching right now are subscribers of my knife channel. But I got this Rebel. I've been saving some money, and I've been looking at it, and I got this Rebel T100 EOS Rebel at Walmart. It costs around It's $329. It's kind of expensive, but I do a lot of YouTube videos, so like I said, I've been saving for it. So, but I didn't. It's like the box. There's the box, but I didn't want. I have a regular webcam that I normally do my videos with, and I'm gonna. Uh, this is crazy how good this is. I think I have it selected right now in auto, so I can bring it in. Actually, I can zoom it in. This works really good with my knife videos. But here's the manual comes with it. But I can go. It's an auto. You got zoom and focus, but I could zoom, which it could really zoom in on stuff, and then I could I really have trouble sometimes with my knife videos trying to focus in on writing, but I could zoom in on this and focus. Oh, I don't have to. I have an autofocus right now, so it'll focus in for me, so I can see details. Like here's a normally I got. Grab something. Here's a knife. This is a Micarta knife. Usually you can't get the detail with my regular webcam, but this is a Micarta knife with the detail is just crazy. So you can see, like, when I sharpen knives too, you can see the it's just unbelievable. I don't think you can get this with even an expensive webcam. It's just, plus you can use it as a regular camera, which my wife probably use anyways when I'm not using it. But I mean, just wow. Okay, like I'll cut some more footage in, but I can bring it back out, and kind of a weird electronic unboxing, but I'm more. So there's it comes with I got it at Walmart. It came with the box. It came with the actual lens, which I can't show you because I'm using it. It came with I believe it's a, let's see, I think it's an 85. I don't know. It comes with your standard easy. I think it's 1850 to 55 uh, lens. Oh, right there it says EF 855. I could even zoom in on this. So that's what it would look like, and that's what it'd be front facing. I just don't. I should have put my camera up higher, but this is. I don't film something this big. So it has Wi-Fi. I guess you can connect it to your phone, so you could download pictures. I did have to use this. I had to do it like the Canon's. They have a driver page. You go to Canon of America, you download this simple app, or not even an app, and it makes your regular. This is what's it called? It's called something. What's this called? What kind of camera is it? DLS camera? EOS, but it's called like some crap. But I guess you could always look up real electronic unboxing people to know what I'm talking about. Comes with a cap. Comes with the thing that covers over your camera when you're not using it, and then this goes over your lens. It just protects everything. And this one came with the memory card of 32. Yeah, but it's called a DSL, or is what they call it? DSLR. So that's actually, you can probably see it right here. This is what I'm right here. So, all right. Geez, I don't know what else to say. You could probably look it up. I'll cut some more video of how good it is with close-ups for my videos. It's going to work out good for me, so it might work out good for other people too. Boy, if you have it facing you like this, it is outstanding. But like I said, I'm more into like focusing in close, so I could zoom in, and actually I could put it on manual like that, and I can actually focus manually if I wanted to. I could focus manually on it. That actually looks pretty good too. So I could actually have it. I don't even have to hold it. I'm learning this as I go. So you got like I could have it manually focused, and I can come in here like this and basically focus. I can zoom in and manually focus it. But I had it on autofocus before, so kind of do whatever way you want to do with it. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'll see you guys all later. It's kind of a little short video. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a full unboxing, but this is probably the extent. I'm not an expert at these cameras. So I just kind of want it as a webcam, and it's going to look like it's going to work good for me. So, all right. I'll catch you all later. Remember, if you like knives and knife content, sharpening and stuff, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. See ya. Bye. All right, it's Angelo's Edge. I'm trying this out here. New camera setup. This is a knife I already did. Just did it here recently. I'm trying a new camera setup. It's going to be a short video. This is the with armor. This is my last video. I don't have the boxes somewhere, but this is just to kind of see how the new camera setup is going to work. So here's like a close-up of this with armor. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna bring it up and see what we can see. The autofocus work, do its magic. I still have to figure out how I'm doing this. My zoom. Focus down here. Yeah, it shows all the texture with this. Shows you all the dirt under my fingernails. Oh yeah, it shows you scratches on the knife. It's beautiful. All right. Maybe we'll do an unboxing of this Rebel T100 and show this as the video of what it does. So that's pretty cool. I think I will do that. Maybe not a knife video, but actually a video of me unboxing. So you got control, zoom. Let's see. I could do auto, but I could move it with the zoom and everything. It's an auto. Back out like this, and it'll autofocus kind of. It really does its job when I can bring it in. So this one's just a regular webcam. This one is the Rebel Canon Rebel T100. So it does a beautiful job of showing detail for a webcam. You have to download the Canon app, but all right, we're gonna maybe post some stuff with this. I'm gonna stop recording.